Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news benchmark interest rates are on the move higher again. Wall Street is sensing that both the US and Japanese regulators are about to independently pull back on market support measures, the Japanese for the first time. And that is driving benchmark interest rates higher. And concerns include that the trade tensions will curb demand for US Treasuries just at the time when they need to issue a whole lot more to fund their fast-rising federal deficit. Meanwhile, sales of existing US homes were soft in July, and that may be because prices are rising quicker. The number of unsold inventory is rising. Year-on-year sales volumes were down 2.2%, but median prices are up 5.2% on the same basis to $408,000 nationally. And in the West, the median is $616,000. Foreclosures and other distressed sales were 3% of the market, the lowest on record. Canada's wholesale trade data for May came in much better than expected, and a sharp recovery from the decline the month before. However, EU consumer confidence is unchanged in July, but still well above its long-term average. China is claiming its unemployment rate is 3.8%, a small drop from just under 4% a year ago. And China has launched a series of measures to bolster its domestic economy in the face of US tariff challenges. These include a tax cut aimed at boosting research spending and even more debt funding for infrastructure investment. They come after some budget tightening already in place earlier this year. The US Treasury 10-year yield is rising in New York and is up to 2.97%. That's up 7 basis points near the market close. The 2-10 curve is pushing out more positively now at 33 basis points. The Chinese 10-year is at 3.53, that's up 2 basis points, while the New Zealand equivalent is at 2.84, also up 2 basis points. And gold has fallen back today, losing all its $7 gain at the end of trading, and is now back to $1,225 an ounce in New York. US oil prices are softer today, now under $68 a barrel, while the benchmark is just over $73 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is 0.5 cent lower on the stronger greenback at 67.8 US cents. On the cross rates, however, were a little changed at 91.8 Aussie cents and 58 euro cents. That puts the TWI at 71.3. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.